What do you think I'm gonna make this bread? I'll tell you a short story for real.
if you can.
Okay, so it all started.
As well.
It all started when
Yeah.
Reddit was trending on Twitter.
Yeah.
I was like, right. My boy come to my yard, gave me a tip on the stock, showed me his portfolio. He had 14 bags on the stock, his own money.
Yeah.
I was like, there's no way that my man's gonna have 14 bags and I'm not gonna put $1 grand on it.
It's like little.
Fam, if we lose, at least I know
Yeah, yeah.
14 times. So anyway, put $1 grand on it, checked it back like 3 days later, gone to $2 grand, cashed it out. I was like, yeah, investing is easy.
Yeah, I've got this.
Yeah, the next thing people were talking about GME, like GameStop.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It was at $80. I was like, $80, that's a bit mad for a failing company.
Yeah.
Like, investing. Then the next day was at 150. I was like, whoa, I should have jumped on this.
Yeah.
Then I was like, I thought, you know, the ship has sailed. It's gone from $5 to 150. It's not going to go further. It went to 400. It just carried on going. But then, like I said, I thought that ship had sailed. So I was like, if it wasn't gone at 150, it's gone at 400.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
100%.
It's gone.
100%.
So they said the next one was AMC.
Yeah.
Jumped on AMC at $5 or something.
Yeah.
No, at like $6.
Yeah.
It went up to $15. I was like, yeah, I should sell. But I was like, no, but you know,
GameStop
went to 400.
Yeah.
Holding that, riding that. Next day, crashed everything. Bare though in the bin. Yeah, man. And then I made a YouTube video about it.